Hello everyone, I'm Tangerine in the kitchen. Today I'm going to teach you one of the most mouth-watering Chinese dish, chicken and sausage Claypot rice. Growing up in Canton province, I had a lot of Claypot rice in the hole-in-the-wall restaurants in Guangzhou. The best chicken Claypot rice has 3 key features. First, it must have slightly burned crispy rice in the bottom. Second, tender and juicy chicken. And third, umami homemade Claypot rice sauce. With the secret tips I'll teach you today, you will be able to successfully make delicious Claypot rice easily. First tip for the rice is to soak the rice in cold water for 25 minutes. Don't skip this step and don't over-soak your rice. The tip to cook tender and flavorful chicken is to marinate it for at least 20 minutes. The ingredients are on the screen. While soaking the rice and marinating the chicken, let's cut the sausage and make our secret Claypot sauce. Low heat with a little oil, fry green onion white for 2 minutes. Add soy sauce, sugar, rice wine, and fish sauce according to the portion on the screen. Now let's cook the rice. First, grease the clay pot, then add rice and water in the pot. The second tip for perfect rice is the ratio of the rice and water. After boiling, low heat, simmer for 7 minutes. Turn off the heat and add chicken, mushrooms, and sausage. Then medium heat, boil for another 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, turn off the heat and wait for 10 minutes to let the ingredient cook with the residual heat in the pot. While waiting, we can boil some bok choy. Here comes the third and the final tip for crispy rice. After waiting for 10 minutes, we add oil from the edge of the clay pot. Then turn on medium heat for 3 minutes. You will hear the sizzling rice during this time. This is when the bottom of the rice becomes crispy and slightly burned. If you use a non-stick pot instead of a clay pot, you might need to add 2 more minutes to this step. Add bok choy, the homemade secret sauce, and chopped green onion. Lunch is ready! Yum! Want to lick the pot clean. If you enjoy my video, please like, subscribe, and comment to support what I am doing. See you after my power nap.